Day 2 of trying to get Calvo in UG, but first, the winner of this Sheldon's name is Fries. Just give me a second and let me type it in. Here we go, the new name Sheldon is Fries. Alright, comment down below if you want your name to name your next Sheldon. Now let's go to Cal Valley. And now we're at Cal Valley. Let's level up this beast just so we're up. I couldn't do Sheldon because they're all level 5. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, now the beast is level 5. Comment down below your choice of his name and top comment wins. Bye, y'all have a nice day and make sure to like and subscribe.